Ever wondered what happened to Relay Bank? Did they disappear into thin air? Or did they find a new home? Well, buckle up, because today we're diving deep into the fascinating world of bank mergers and uncovering the mystery of Relay Bank's fate. Transition to a visually engaging montage of images, old photos of Relay Bank branches, news headlines about bank mergers, shots of modern banking technology. Host, remember those days when banking felt a bit clunky? Long lines, confusing paperwork, and limited online services? Well, the banking world has come a long way. And amidst this evolution, many banks have undergone significant changes, including mergers and acquisitions. Transition to a map of the United States with key areas highlighted. Now, let's talk about Relay Bank. This regional bank, with its roots in, mention the region where Relay Bank was prominent, was a familiar name for many years. But like many regional players, they faced increasing competition from larger institutions. Transition to a timeline graphic showcasing key dates in Relay Bank's history. To stay competitive and better serve their customers, Relay Bank made a strategic decision to merge with another financial institution. But who was the lucky partner? And what does this merger mean for former Relay Bank customers? Transition to a more formal, informative tone. Host, in year of merger, Relay Bank officially merged with name of merging bank. This merger brought together, mention key aspects, e.g., the strength of Relay Bank's local presence with merging bank's extensive resources and innovative technology. Transition to a split-screen comparison, old Relay Bank logo versus new logo of the merged entity. For former Relay Bank customers, this merger brought about several key changes. New name and branding. Customers transition to name of merged entity, complete with a new logo, website, and potentially new branch locations. Expanded services, access to a wider range of products and services, such as, list examples, e.g., investment options, mobile banking apps, enhanced online services. Potential for improved customer service. The merger aimed to leverage the combined strengths of both institutions, potentially leading to improved customer service and support. Of course, any major change can bring about some concerns. Some former Relay Bank customers may have initially worried about branch closings, the possibility of their local branch closing after the merger. Changes to account terms, potential adjustments to interest rates, fees, or other account terms. System integration issues, potential disruptions to online banking or ATM services during the transition period. Transition to a reassuring tone. Host, however, name of merged entity, typically took steps to address these concerns. Communication efforts. They communicated extensively with customers throughout the merger process, keeping them informed about every step. Branch consolidation plans. They carefully evaluated branch locations and minimized closures whenever possible. Customer support. They provided dedicated customer support channels to assist with any questions or concerns during and after the transition. Transition to a more conversational tone, drawing on real-life examples if available. To give you a better understanding, let's look at a real-life example. If available, share a specific anecdote or case study related to the merger, e.g., one former Relay Bank customer, name, shared their experience with the merger. They initially had concerns about potential branch closures, but were pleasantly surprised when their local branch remained open and even underwent renovations. Transition to a broader perspective on bank mergers. Bank mergers are a common occurrence in the financial industry. They can bring about significant benefits, such as increased efficiency and innovation. Mergers can streamline operations, reduce costs, and facilitate the development of new technologies and services. Enhanced financial stability. Larger institutions may be better equipped to withstand economic downturns and serve their customers through challenging times. Expanded reach and customer base. Mergers can allow banks to expand their geographic reach and serve a larger customer base. While bank mergers can sometimes bring about changes, they ultimately aim to improve the overall banking experience for customers. So, there you have it. The mystery of Relay Bank's fate has been solved. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.